Welcome to Kwasing STEM SHS STEM Innovation Project. I'm in the person of Dauda Abubakar Siddiq in Abaku, and I'm here with my colleague
Dala the Hashim Badim Suru.
And we're presenting on urban gardening with title A Powered Pump Drip Irrigation System. Somebody may ask, what is drip irrigation?
Drip irrigation is a type of irrigation system which allows farmers to be able to control the amount of water being supplied to the plants for growth and development.
Our powered drip irrigation system comprises of two distinct systems. We have the pumping system, which comprises of the solar panel, the controller, the switch, battery, the wiring system, a pump which comprises of a motor pump, a motor starter, and then a PVC pipe. We have our source of water, where water is drawn. We have our drip irrigation system itself, which comprises of three 25-liter cans and are connected together at the basement with the same PVC pipe with T and L joints. Over here is a stopcock where water flows through into the PVC pipes. We have IV drips, where water drops into the plants.
To our pump system, the solar panel here traps sunlight and converts the solar energy into electrical energy to be supplied to the system. The solar panel supplies the energy to the battery through the pump controller. The controller controls the amount of current which flows into the battery or into the system. The battery here supplies power to the DC motor through the cables connected to the switch here, which is connected in between the battery and the pump, serves as a controller which controls the flow of current into the DC motor. The battery supplies the DC motor with electrical current, and the DC motor then converts the electrical current into mechanical energy to put the impeller, which is encased in the PVC pipe. This is the prototype of the impeller. When the water is being drawn in by the outlet here, which is here, by the inlet, which is here, it puts this thing into motion, and the water has nowhere to pass through than to pass through the outlet. The water is being drawn out from our water source. This is just to serve as an experiment, but you can use either rivers or dams as your water source. And the pump then pumps the water into the 25-liter cans. This is just a short experiment of how our project works. The water here will reduce as it pumps. This is how our pump draws the water from this side and move it into the reservoirs. The pipes connected beneath here makes the water to flow from this jerrycan to the others with the principle of water finds their own level. The stopcock here also controls the flow of water from the jerrycans to the drip system. We have the PVC pipes here that carries the water around the drip system. We have the IV drips that controls the amount of water that drips into the soil for the soil to be moist or to become moist in order for the plants to be able to absorb the water normally. This is how the IV drips works. You see, the water starts dripping bit by bit in order for the soil to become moist. This system enables families and communities to implement urban gardening in urban areas and also broaden access to nutritious food sources. Thank you.